Hi friends, this is Dr. Satish S. Bornari, Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. Today we are going to learn the topic sex linkage. So what is this sex linkage? Before we going to detail in the sex linkage, we will study the sex linked traits and sex linked inheritance. So friends, the character for which genes are located on the sex or X chromosome are known as sex linked traits, and the sex linkage refers to the linkage of sex linked genes, means the linkage of the sex linked genes is referred as a sex linkage, and inheritance of such a genes or a characters is known as sex linked inheritance. This sex linked inheritance having some features we can see one by one. First one is a location. The sex linked genes are located on X chromosome only but not present on Y chromosome. So friends, it is earlier believed that these sex linked genes are located on X chromosome only, but after a human genome project, it is revealed that there are some genes present also on the Y chromosome. So the sex linked genes are located on X and Y chromosome also nowadays. Second one is the expression. The expression of the individual showing a recessive sex linked trait is markedly higher in heterogametic sex than that in the homogametic sex. That means the sex linked expression or expression of that sex linked trait is, in case of recessive trait, it is higher in heterogametic sex, that is in males in case of human, than that of homogametic sex, that is females. And the segregation pattern is the inheritance of the sex linked character does not follow the normal segregation pattern. So friends, we have all know that there are a segregation pattern in of Mendelian trait, but the sex linked character does not follow this segregation pattern. Then inheritance pattern. The sex linked genes or traits are not transmitted from male parent directly to their male progeny. For example, in human being and Drosophila fly, male transmit its sex linked genes to all its daughter, and this daughter later on transmitted this gene to half of their male's progeny. As a result, a sex linked recessive gene is transmitted from male to its female progeny, and then half of the male progeny of a such female. Thus, the sex linked traits or genes pass from male to female and then back to male. So, this type of inheritance pattern is called as a crisscross inheritance pattern, and this is the significant or beautiful example of or pattern of that sex linked inheritance. So there are sex linked traits. So what is this sex linked traits? These traits are either X linked dominant or recessive traits. And in X linked recessive traits, male can display the trait by having only one copy of allele, but in female it displays when both recessive alleles are present. And example of these sex linked traits are hemophilia in human, color blindness in human, and eye color in Drosophila. And these X linked dominant traits, both male and female can display the trait or disorder by having only one copy of allele. And example of this X linked dominant trait is bar pattern in poultry. So friends, these are the example of the sex linked traits. We can see detail the first one, that is hemophilia. This hemophilia is a serious disorder in human being, and people with hemophilia are unable to produce a factor needed for blood clotting. and thus the cuts, brushes, and wounds of the hemophilics continue to bleed, and if not stopped by the transfusion with clotting factor, can cause death. So it is a hereditary defect which is governed by a recessive gene and is inherited through female. And in case of marriage between this hemophilic woman and a normal man, the disease will be transmitted to 50% of their son, even if the gene is in heterozygous condition in the carrier. So friends, we can see the inheritance pattern of this hemophilia in human being over here. Here this hemophilia is X-linked recessive disorder, and if the carrier mother means the one of the two X copies having the defect, and when she marries with unaffected man, the children are 50% are affected son and 50% are a carrier daughter. So this is the inheritance pattern of the hemophilia, a X-linked recessive disorder. Then another example of these sex-linked traits is color blindness. This trait is governed by a recessive gene located on the X chromosome, and in the diagram we can see a person having such a defect cannot differentiate between red and green color, and the son from the marriage between colorblind man and normal woman will be normal, but daughters will be carry such a gene in a heterozygous condition, and marriage of a such a carrier girl with the colorblind boy will produce children in which both male and female children will be colorblind in 50% cases. So this is again the color blindness showing the crisscross inheritance, and this is a typical example of sex-linked traits. Genes link with Y chromosome. As we discussed earlier, after Human Genome Project, it is revealed that there are certain genes present in the Y chromosome, and non-homologous portion of the Y chromosome contains few genes. Two genes appear to be located in this region in Drosophila for male fertility, and 17 genes are present in the non-homologous portion of the human Y genome. The genes which are present in the Y chromosome are known as Hollandric genes, and Y-linked genes will be transmitted directly from father to the son and never appears in the female, as female doesn't have a Y chromosome. And examples of these Y-linked genes are histocompatibility genes, that is HY present on the short arm of the human Y chromosome. Another example is SRY, that is sex determining region of Y chromosome. These genes SRY genes, and presence of excessive hair on ear in human being man. The condition is known as hypertrichosis. So this is the another example of that genes linked with Y chromosome, and it is very common that most of the human males having a hairy pinna on or his ear having a hair, this is called as hypertrichosis, and this hypertrichosis is due to the Hollandric genes, that means the genes present on the Y chromosome of the human male. Then second number, sex influenced traits. So these traits are the traits which are controlled by genes present on the autosomes, but whose expression is influenced by the sex of the individual, are called as a sex influence trait, or in simple way, a trait which is influenced by the sex of an individual is called as a sex influence traits. And these sex influence traits are those that are dominant in one sex but recessive in other. This is due to the different cellular environments in males and female provided by the sex hormone. So friends, these sex influence traits are under the control of the hormone produced by different sex, and different hormonal environment affect the expression of heterozygote of the trait, but homozygotes are unaffected and express the trait unrelated of the hormone produced. An example of these sex influenced traits are baldness pattern in human and horn development in sheep. So friends, the baldness pattern is more common in human male than in female, and horn development in sheep also is more common or more profuse in male compared to the female. Means that the traits are influenced by the particular sex or the hormone produced by the particular sex. And features of the sex influence traits. First one, the sex influence traits located in the autosomes and express more frequently in one sex than another sex, and expression of such a character appears to be governed by the sex hormones, and there is no difference between reciprocal crosses in F1 and F2. Here reciprocal crosses means when the order of parent is reversed, there is no differences occurred in F1 and F2, and dominance in the heterozygous condition depend on the sex of the individual. So these are the features of the sex influence traits. Next one is the sex limited traits. Some autosomal genes express character is only one sex, only one sex, that is either male or female. These are autosomal genes but can express only in a particular sex. As their expression is limited to only one sex, they are called as sex limited traits, or in other words, those traits whose development is limited to only one sex are known as sex limited traits. And examples are milk production in mammal, beard in man, and mammary glands in a woman. So friends, in case of these sex limited traits, they are limited to particular sex only, and their expression is also limited to particular sex. Means some of the sex showing expression while another is not. An example we can clearly see from the example, beard in man and mammary gland development in a woman. So these are the sex limited traits, and feature of these sex limited traits are: first one, they express in one sex only and not in other sex. Second one is sex limited genes may be located either in a sex chromosome or autosomes. Third one is the sex limited genes control the expression of primary and secondary sex character. So they are mostly governed with the, or they are mostly controls the expression of primary and secondary sex character. So these are the sex limited traits. Last one, there is a difference of sex linked character and sex limited character. In case of sex linked character, genes are located on sex or X chromosome, while in case of sex limited characters, the genes are located on sex chromosome or autosomes also. And the sex linked character can express in both the sexes, while the sex limited character express in one sex only. In case of sex linked character, it includes character not related to sex, while in case of sex limited character includes primary and secondary sex character. An example of these sex linked characters are white eye Drosophila, hemophilia in human being, and color blindness in human being. And examples of the sex limited traits are milk production, mammary glands development in woman, and beard in man. Thank you. This video is for educational purpose only, and references are as given below. Thanks once again for watching.